Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to chop samples in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with chopping our samples to see how it's done. First thing I'm going to do is to open up my audio recorder option right here. This is going to open up this new recording menu. What we want to do is to go right here into the upper left corner and click on edit mode. In the edit mode option, it's going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks I have. As you can see, here is my drum track, I have my keyboard and my audio recording. Now I can see how to chop them. Basically guys, what you want to do if you want to add your samples is go right here into the upper right corner, click on that button in the middle. That's going to enable you to add Apple loops that you can use, and these are all the samples. Once you have your samples right here in the tracks, you can get started with chopping them by tapping on the sample you want to chop, and you have your split option. So guys, what you can do is split it into two options. You can see I have just cut it right here. You can select where you want to cut it, how much you want to split it, and so on. And once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and delete the options that you have splitted and the sections that you want to delete of the track, and this is how you get started with chopping samples. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.